Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at a 2020 Toyota Sienna SE. This is a 7-passenger all-wheel drive minivan in midnight black. And under the hood you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 driving on 18-inch wheels. Some of our great exterior features include our fog lights, roof rails, automatic power sliding doors, as well as a power liftgate. The Sienna does also come with a proximity smart key system. But now why don't we hop inside the Sienna and see what else it has to offer. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button, our power liftgate button, and our automatic power sliding door buttons for both sides. Like I mentioned, the Sienna does have a proximity smart key system. So if you have your key fob in your pocket, we can press these two lines to lock the vehicle. And to unlock it, it's as easy as putting our hands inside the door handle here. Before we look at the door, just to show you quickly in the mirror that we do have heated mirrors and the blind spot monitoring system. On top of the door, you have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. And on the bottom, you have some storage space that runs along the entire side. Next to the door here, we can open this and you have a nice little storage compartment. The Sienna is equipped with all-weather mats and dark charcoal perforated leather seating. On the bottom, we have our power seating adjustment buttons. Taking a look on the left side of the steering wheel, you have these arrows right here, and this will just help you cycle through any audio that might be playing. You also have your volume buttons, voice recognition system, and your hands-free calling. On the right side, this cluster right here will help you navigate through the multi-information display. Below that, you also have your Toyota Safety Sense buttons with dynamic radar cruise control and lane departure alert. Behind the wheel, you will find your cruise control speed settings. If we move on to our screen here, right now we are on the home screen. On the left side, it displays any audio that's playing. On the right side, you got your navigation map. We can press that and that map will enlarge. You can set your destination. If we press audio, that'll take you to your sources. You have your standard AM and FM options. You also have a choice between USB, CD, and a Bluetooth device. If we go into reverse, we got that nice backup camera as well. Moving down below is our tri-zone climate control system, so you can adjust the temperature for yourself. The passenger next to you can do so as well, and you got also the temperatures for the rear passengers in the back. Down below that, we can press this button. You got nice 2 cup holders that come out. You also find your USB and auxiliary and your 12-volt outlet to the left of that. You also have your driver and passenger heated seats. Down below, you have this huge space on the bottom here for some storage. 2 cup holders, and if we press this button, the center console comes right up, providing plenty of space in there as well. To open up the passenger doors, it's as easy as holding these buttons on the key fob, and in our case, we're going to hold the left side because we are on the left side. Taking a look inside, we are continuing with the all-weather mats and the dark charcoal perforated leather seating. If we look a little further inside, behind the front passenger and driver's seat, we do have these little pockets giving you some extra storage space. The rear passenger seats do have these little armrests as well. And these seats do fold down. All we got to do is hold this upwards, and that'll slide forwards, giving you access to your 3rd row seating. On our key fob, we're just going to hold this button on the bottom, and that power liftgate will open on its own. We're going to slowly move inside here, taking a look. With the 3rd row seating, you still have plenty of cargo space on the bottom here, as well as on the left side. These seats do go down. All we got to do is just give these handles a pull, and the seats drop down nice and easy. Giving you even more cargo space in the back. Of course, like I mentioned, the 2nd row seating does slide forward as well. In the back here, we have some storage compartments as well as cup holders for those 3rd row passengers. And to close up, it's as easy as pressing this button right up top, and that power liftgate will close on its own. Taking a last look at our Toyota Sienna. Once again, some of those great interior features includes our tri-zone climate control system, backup camera, and navigation. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here, Toyota Northwest Edmonton, on the corner of 137th Avenue, St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.